They have two factors which are to be multiplied, and those two factors seems to be equal but with different signs. So we are going to multiply this first of all, and when you look at this, we see that this one and this one are the same. The difference is only these signs. Then this is like a plus b times a negative b, and we know that this one is a squared negative b squared. So when you apply this property, you can see that this is 2x squared negative 3 squared, then times 4 power x plus 9 equal to 47. When we expand this, we get 4 power x negative 9, then 4 power x again plus 9 equal to 47. Then again, when you want to multiply this, you see that now this one and this one are like this. Because this and this are the same, this and this are the same. So we can say that this is 4 power x squared negative 9 squared then equal to 47. And this is like 4 power 2x negative 81, which is equal to 47. And this is equal to 4 power 2x equal to 47 positive 81. This is 4 power 2x, which is equal to 128. Then, when you look at this, we see that we have, this is 2x, we see that we have expression with different bases. So we need to have the common base. Common base, it means that we can factorize this, finding the common factors. 128, we have 2, 64, 2, 32, 2, 16, 8, 2, 8, 2, 4, 2, 2, 2, 1. So what we get? 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we get 2 power 7. And then this one will become 2 power 2 power 2x. 4 is 2 power 2. Then 1 into 8 is 2 power 7. This is 2 power 4x. This 2 times this, which is equal to 22 power 7. Base and base simplify, and 4 power x is equal to 7, and x is equal to 7 over 4. That is the final answer to that equation. Thank you very much.